every single coin of corruption kills a heart.
Urukiko rwetabirwemo ab'ebitongore bitari bya gavumenti, abebembezi mu gavumenti, abanyadini, ab'ebyobwegese, ab'ebyokwerinda hamwe na n'eminyeto.
Regional balancing, rewarding political allies, political funds, even going to the extent of if you vote well, then you will get a road.
Social networks, relatives fast-track services for each other, officials protect friends, favors exchanged quietly.
Father Kabura, or director wa Uganda Matters University ya Fort Portal, arukugambaho mu rukiko ashoborera nko political patronage eretereho abantu bayiho bwesije ombebembezi hamwe na gavumenti omu nshonga z'obuhereza.
This patronage-based political settlement often reinforces the perception that public office is a gateway to personal enrichment, not a platform to serve people.
The interview must change again. Where only the qualified shall reign. Where only the qualified shall shine.
Angela Byangwa uri mukuru w'ekitongore kya Rwenzori Anti-Corruption Coalition yashoborera ko cyanga kya Rwenzori district ya Ntoroko niye yebembeire na nemishango y'oburwenguzi erukorabira muri illegal recruitment.
Several cases of corruption, especially in forged academic papers. We have several cases of diversion of funds. This year we could talk about the districts which have had more corruption cases. I think I've been Toroko. And you've seen the ACAO taking a very good action on those particular issues.
Ababa bari mu rukiko bashaba okwatanisa hamwe nuko babase kurwanisa burwenguzi omu cyange cya Rwenzori hamwe na Uganda yona.
Institutional mechanisms. By aligning our traditional values with modern governance structures, we can create a comprehensive approach to combat corruption. We can engage local governments and institutions to ensure that our cultural values are woven into the very fabric of policy making.
Okurgira ekitongore kya RAC emishango 2021 niyo yahababirwe kandi emishango 1020 bakagikoraho omu cyange kya Rwenzori aho burwenguzi n'obuhereza bibukwatira kati agagasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki abwata ya West.
To Rwenzori Anti-Corruption Coalition.